You're welcome once again. We're going to talk about text and typography. These are one of those things that make up, good design. You can't do that without. You can't do any design, without text and typography. They are both the same, but just the usage. Each industry have their own jargon, and that is just the way it is. So now we're going to click on any of this, either poster or Instagram post or anything. We can just click on any one. So I'm clicking on poster, event poster, and this time around I'm gonna click on the on this first one. Is a free template. I'll just click on it and go straight to edit icon here. Click on the edit. It gives you a bigger view of the poster. Well, it's a beautiful design. I like it. And in order for you to also have an idea of what I'm referring to, if you look at this place, say tap something to start editing. I'm going to click on this font here. The name of the font is Lake Spartan. This is the size of the font, and this is the color. This is the way the font has been aligned. It's lined on the left, and every other details apply, the spacing and all that. So if you don't like this font, the only thing you can do is to click on this arrow pointing down. Just click on it, and now you scroll. As you're scrolling, you will notice there are some fonts has an icon at the end, one yellow icon that looks like a crown. Those ones are not free, but the ones that doesn't have that crown are free fonts. So if you are trying to use any of the fonts, select those that doesn't have the crown. So, and the name of this one we're using has been stated, Lake Spartan. Then we're going back there to look for another font if you don't like that one. So I'm gonna choose this this particular one. I'll click on it that way, and boom, the thing changes. And once that happens, you are good to go. All right, you can change this other one down there. You can see the name of the font is written there. You click on that pointer again and scroll down and choose the font you want. So let me use Advent Pro Bold. So that is it. You click on your icon to say yes. Okay, so I think that's the way to change our font on our flyers, and we're good to go with that. And once you're done with all this, you come up here and approve that the flyer is good to go. Your top right here, you have two icons. One is pointing up and the other one is pointing down. Is that you click on